machineQ is a Comcast service that leverages connected sensor, network, and software technologies to enable innovative IoT solutions. Introducing mQSpark for machineQ, a plug-and-play development kit for the rapid prototyping of IoT solutions that can be deployed onto our machineQ network. If you want to learn more about LoRa and prototyping IoT solutions for our network, mQSpark is the ideal starting point. mQSpark includes a development board designed as a USB module that can be plugged into your laptop to configure and power your application. And it's compatible with 75 easy-to-use Grove sensors based on your specific testing needs. Whether it's a temperature, humidity, sound, or distance sensor, each one comes with a standardized, easy-to-plug-in connector. mQSpark is the ultimate IoT development tool, and it's designed to be plug-and-play. Simply connect the dev board directly to your laptop USB port, plug in each Grove sensor, and download the Arduino code to configure the device. Plug the board into a power bank, and you have your very own proof of concept to test across a wide range of use cases. mQSpark's easy-to-use, plug-and-play design enables you to develop a wide range of IoT use cases, and is one of the quickest ways to get started with prototyping and testing LoRa. For more information on how to get started with mQSpark, please visit machineQ.com or email us at info@machineQ.com. Thanks for watching.